He's trying to figure out, what do I do with this little girl?
Get him, Max. You get him. Get him. You're the troublemaker.
Will be ready?
The dream team.
Aww. Don't overdo it. Laurie.
Play nice.
He doesn't care.
A Doberman that tried to play with him. He didn't want to play. He growled. The Doberman was scared to death of him. Big dogs are scared of these little guys. Besides the rest of them.
Is that what you do with your sister?
Get away.
Laurie.
Oh, Lori.
Laurie. That's so cute.
I have to say that even though he's neutered, he likes girls better than guys. He does like the girls.
Yeah, she's not. We didn't get her neutered yet. We're not sure. We're not sure if we are or not.